In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the stock screener for swing trading in TradingView. Go to tradingview.com. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once the site opens, you should be looking at your main dashboard. From here, move to the top navigation bar and hover over Products. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for Screeners under the Individual Tool section and click it. Then choose Stocks. This opens the Stock Screener page. The page loads on all stocks and the U.S.S.F. market is already selected by default. Now move to the filter bar near the top of the screener. On the far right side of the row of filtered chips, click the plus button. This opens the filter search. In the search box, type S and ampersand P500. As the results appear, click Index, then S and ampersand P500. Once you select it, the S and ampersand P500 chip is added to the filter bar. Now click the plus button again to add another filter. In the search box, type Moving Average. In the results, find Simple Moving Average under Technicals and click it. A filter panel opens for this setting. Leave the period set to 50 and leave the interval set to 1 day. At the top of the condition list, click below Price, which is labeled Bullish Bias. After you do that, the filter chip appears as SMA 50 less than price. Click the plus button again. This time, type RSI into the search box. From the results, click Relative Strength Index. In the filter panel, leave length set to 14 and leave interval set to 1 day. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of the panel and click Manual Setup. In the dropdown that currently says Above or Equal, click it and change it to Between. You'll now have 2 value boxes to fill in. In the lower box, enter 40. Then move to the upper box and enter 60. When this is set, the chip updates to RSI 1440 to 60. Next, click the plus button again. In the search box, type Average Volume. When the result appears, click Average Volume. In the filter panel, change the interval to 30 days. Leave the condition as above. Then in the value field, enter 500,000. After that, the chip appears as Average Volume 30D greater than 500K. Now close the filter panel by clicking anywhere outside it. At this point, you should see 4 filtered chips across the bar. They are S and ampersand P500 SMA 50, less than price RSI 1440 to 60, and average volume 30D greater than 500K. Next, go to the far left side of the tab row, just to the left of Overview. Click the chart line icon. This switches the screener from the standard table view to thumbnail charts. Instead of rows of data, the stocks now appear as mini price charts, so you can scan them visually. Scroll through the list of candidates and check the chart structure. You're confirming a clean uptrend and pullback structure. Look for higher highs. Price respecting the 50-day simple moving average and a mild dip. Keep scrolling through the mini charts to review the candidates directly inside the screener. Once that part is done, move to the top of the screener and click the Save button. This is the cloud up icon located next to the All Stocks title. A Save dialog will open. In the name field, type Swing Trading Setup. Say it naturally as you enter it: Swing, then Trading, then Setup. After the full name is in place, click Save. The screener title now changes from All Stocks to Swing Trading Setup, which confirms that your custom setup has been saved. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the full process for using the stock screener for swing trading in TradingView. From opening the screener, to applying the filters, to switching into chart view, and saving the finished setup.